seriously, what's the name of this product? You guys know that I live in New York. Here we go. This is New York. This is so cute. Like, this is the one for GoPro, just for size comparison purposes. And here is Tello. Gorgeous as usual. You miss Tello. Tello is an experience that I think. Alright, so hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we have another beautiful box coming from DJI Store. So let's go ahead and unbox this baby and talk about what's in here. I'm gonna be quite brief, or as brief as I can be, because my long-term viewers are quite familiar that I talk a lot. And here is the fantastic controller, which is compatible with, okay, let's get rid of this part. It is actually compatible with iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 6, 6S, whatever. And I am going to test it on, yeah, here it says 7, 7 Plus, 6, 6S Plus, da-da-da-da-da. I have no reason to believe that it doesn't work with iPhone 8 Plus, which is what I have. And I can actually maybe test it later on iPhone XS Max. So let me know if you're interested with testing this in XS Max. Otherwise, let's move on and unbox the TELLO. This is actually the extended package where there are 3 flight batteries. The TELLO itself, I think we get spare propellers with the same, with the single package too. And there's a charging hub, which is really funny because, or which is really advantageous for you. It's also funny, but the thing is that it's really advantageous because TELLO gives you like 8 to 9 minutes of flight time if you are ripping around, and having 3 batteries gives you half an hour of flight time, which is honestly fantastic. So I bought this for myself and I'm not gonna give it to anyone because honestly, you guys know that I live in New York. Here we go. This is New York, and where I currently live is a no-fly zone for obvious reasons, because there are so many helipads and, you know, not great historical events happened in New York airspace. Not only referring to 9/11, I'm actually referring to the drone issues that happened here before. So, TELLO Boost Combo is ready to be unboxed for this audience, and I bought this using the Black Friday 30% off by DJI. I think it was up to 30%. This set was usually $150 and it was only for $100. And this guy, sorry, I should say that too as well. So this guy is, can't recall, but I'll put Amazon or DJI links for both, so you can actually go ahead and check it out yourself. Oh, hey, this is actually really good. I can use this as a travel cover, because when you buy the DJI TELLO original version, you get this box, and honestly, this could be the travel case by itself. I'll see how it opens, and let's go and see the rest of the box. Where is the rest of the box? The remote taradi-tarada are on the other side. Let's go ahead and cut this part and open it. Yeah, slides out. And here I'm expecting to see it actually shows it here. There will be the multiple battery charger, the cable, and the batteries. Let's see what it looks like quite fast. This is so cute. Like, this is the one for GoPro, just for size comparison purposes. This is a battery charger for GoPro batteries, and this is the one for DJI or Rise TELLO, however you want to call it. So portability wise, doesn't get better than that. Of course, the image quality, especially in video, of TELLO is questionable, but it's so much fun to fly that thing that I actually sold I gave it to a friend as a present, and then now I am getting the multiple package. Yep, these are TELLO's batteries. I'm gonna put them here just for the time being. I don't know if it's actually a good idea to charge the batteries before use at all times, but I'm kind of fanatically charging everything before the first use. And here is Tello. Gorgeous as usual. You know what? I missed Tello, seriously. Like, I can't believe I managed to give it away to a friend because, like, this is one of my favorite quadcopters that I can fly anywhere. And this is the king of mini quadcopters, period. Unless something better comes out, this will remain as the best one. Because considering the altitude hold, considering the... Oh, by the way, okay, this is just the product documentation. We don't really see this one. But I'm wondering if I can actually use this as a... How was it in there? This way? Yeah. Nope. Seriously. Okay, it was like this. And what if I put the batteries? Yes, a battery fits in there. And another one in it. I'm not gonna turn it on. And I can just leave the last one here. And what does it take to just close it? Is this holding it off? I mean, usually being gentle with your Tello is a good idea because... Oh, okay, it's actually the other way around. Yep, I mean, because it's not plugged in 100%, it doesn't work. But I think it would work beautifully if I do this. Does it lock? No. Really? This beautiful box and it doesn't lock? Well, then I'm gonna keep this. Here we go. So, about Tello. I used Tello for like 6 months already and gave it away to a friend, and I'm telling you instantly that you miss Tello. Tello is an experience that I think if you are into quadcopters, and to be frank with you, if you manage to find this channel or you're already subscribed, that means you're already deep in the drone realm. So, and if you don't have your drone already, just go ahead and order this one. There are rumors that there will be a new one soon. I mean, will you regret this purchase? I don't think so. At least in my case, I'm gonna keep this for myself for a long time because, I mean, it has the historical value, but also I flew it in places that I thought I wouldn't be able to fly, and the control it offers is fantastic. Of course, if they put some electronic image stabilization here, maybe a little bit of a gimbal-ish minor thing, but then it turns into DJI Spark, so I don't think that they would improve it that much. Or if they do, I mean, this is my hobby, so I think I'll buy that one too. But this is the Thanksgiving time. This is the Christmas time. It's the holiday season. So if you're planning to grab a quad for yourself or a loved one, this is definitely the best choice. The others are either too noisy, you can't fly them indoors, or they have all sorts of complication, including bothering the neighbors. But this guy is not even considered a drone by so many. So grab yours when it is the time. If the new one comes out, you know what? Grab that too, because if actually they make everything compatible, you wouldn't mind that problem. But even if the new one comes up, I don't think that it makes a lot of sense for DJI to actually make it so good that people drop Spark or people avoid Mavic Air, ta-da-da-da-da. So this will remain as a toy quadcopter, and frankly, this sits on top of every other one. All right, so thank you for watching this video. I will also get back to this. I actually completely forgot about this one, and I almost finished the video. Okay, back to it. Let's go and unbox this. Seriously? Oh, okay, we have the flap here. Boom. This is, I think it was around 60 bucks, whatever, but go ahead and check the link below. I will tell you my initial thoughts about this. I have my Mavic here. It's not around. Is it around? No, it's not around. Sorry. So let's see how it feels. Oh, okay. you can tell that these are controllers. So I will test the sensitivity or how they work in a separate video. But quality, okay, the weight is negligible, so that's pretty cool. That means you can actually, no, would be expecting too much if it sits here beautifully. But I'm sure there are some cases for it out there, maybe on Amazon. I'll put a link below if it exists. But I think there will be a separate video where I test the remote and how it performs. Again, I wish it was possible, but I want to charge these and charge them properly before my first flight because I'm keeping this set. So let's see, what was the name of this thing? Gamevice Live. Seriously, what's the name of this product? Anyways, basically it's the one from DJI's website. I assume that because DJI is selling it, this is also a recommended product. Otherwise, why would they feature it on their website? All right. So for the second time, thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe. You know how much I like quadcopters. I am going to the DJI event, by the way, on the 28th, which is what, next Wednesday. Now that you know it's another Wednesday today. Basically, in a week, I will be at the DJI event. We are expecting Osmo gimbal camera thingy, another drone, but you never know. So stay tuned for that as well. Once again, thanks for being part of this journey, and see you next time.